$1,000, I mean.
That's reasonable.
It is.
Wildwood 44View by Forest River. Let's go take a look.
On our truck, though.
Big glass doors. You come in, you've got, look at this, it's like a little house. It is everything you could possibly need. Privacy windows.
Is this the 2-bedroom plus the 2 lofts?
Yeah, look at this big old kitchen. 4-burner stove. Full-size fridge. Got a little powder room. You can't see it. It's there.
I thought it was 2 bedrooms. Big bathroom back there.
Well, there's 2 lofts.
Yeah.
Fireplace. Oh yeah, huge front bathroom, the back bathroom. Washer dryer, you know I love that. Loft space. More bunk beds and storage. Look across, get a nice, I mean they're a high ceiling fan. I haven't looked at the front yet, so I'll be a sec. Got some basket storage here. Got your master suite. The Murphy bed style. Nice windows. This type of unit is for permanent setup at a campground. You're not really gonna drag it around. How cute is that? Great for the grandkids.
Excuse me. Oh, sorry.